Samsung Galaxy S9 will purportedly ship with a number of all-new user interfaces designed from the ground up for the flagship handset, according to a prominent leakster. The latest rumor suggests Samsung has designed a new user interface for the Galaxy S9 range never before seen on any previous Galaxy S models. Ice Universe, a prolific and oft-reliable leakster, kickstarted the latest rumor on Chinese microblogging network, Weibo. The Samsung X division has designed several unique new interfaces to the Galaxy S9 that are not visible in any previous version, the post said. The latest rumor also ties back to a comment made by Samsung back in mid-November. Speaking at the time, a spokesperson for the company told Business Korea, although the Galaxy S9 may not have the innovative features expected by the market, we are focusing on enhancing the completeness of the Galaxy S8 hardware and an innovative user experience, UX. As always, Samsung builds its custom user interface on top of the Android. The technology company typically brings a raft of unique functionality to its version of the operating system, including split-screen apps before Google incorporated the feature into Android, the ability to convert video into a GIF using the S Pen on the latest Galaxy Note handsets, and widgets within the Edge display. It's unclear what innovations are being developed for the Galaxy S9, however, it's highly likely that AI will play a significant role. Samsung debuted its in-house virtual assistant, dubbed Bixby, with the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus last year. Tipster Ice Universe has previously shared a photo of an internal presentation that revealed Samsung working on a so-called Galaxy AI UX. Elsewhere, the new entries in the hugely successful Galaxy S series are likely to focus on photography. Samsung's official event invitation also offers a hint at some of the new capabilities coming to the latest entry in the flagship Galaxy S smartphone range. The camera. Reimagined, the Emhape Tech, complete with a large number 9. Samsung adds, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, the latest member of the Galaxy family has a lot to say. On February 25, Samsung Electronics will showcase the next generation of Galaxy devices that reimagines the camera and redefines the way you share your moments. There have been a number of rumors around the camera technology coming to the Galaxy S9 and larger Galaxy S9 Plus. Earlier this week, Samsung shared a webpage that included detailed information about its latest camera technology, which will likely appear in its flagship handset. Samsung typically uses its own ISOCELL branded cameras for the hugely successful Galaxy S phone range. The company this week shared details about its latest camera innovations on its website. The new webpage details 3 distinct Samsung-built ISOCELL sensors: bright, fast, and slim. It's unclear which sensor will be used for the Galaxy S9, although the ISOCELL Fast seems like the most likely candidate. Samsung's ISOCELL dual sensor, also listed on the same webpage, sounds extremely similar to the dual lens system that has long been rumored to land on the Galaxy S9 Plus.